Welcome to the Healix AI training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to create and manage blogs using Healix AI. Go to the left menu and click on Create Blogs. And choose Create Blog from the drop-down. Now you are on the Create Blog page. Select your site from the drop-down. You can create your blog. Just enter the title and add your blog. Click on the Submit button and your blog will be added. Or you can create automated blogs by inserting the number of the blogs and clicking on the Submit button. And your blogs will be generated. You can see your all generated blogs on the Manage Blogs page. You can also delete any blog from the list. Thanks for watching the video.